Chad is here from D.A. Davidson, and we're talking about this week's stock market news. We're going to start with yesterday. Ended mixed. What influenced the market there?
That's right, Victoria. The Dow Jones was up 49 points yesterday. It closed at 26,252. The S&P and NASDAQ were just down slightly. So it had some manufacturing data that came out yesterday that was a little bit below expectations, and thus the mixed market yesterday.
And what is it that investors can expect today?
Well, right now the futures are up slightly this morning. All eyes will be on Jackson Hole, Wyoming, as Fed Chairman Powell will be giving a speech there today at the annual symposium that the Fed hosts there in Jackson Hole. So that's where all eyes will be. Right now they're pricing in a 90% probability that the Federal Reserve will cut rates by 1/4% at their next meeting here in September. So again, all eyes will be watching Jackson Hole today.
All right, and last question here. It sounds like there's 4 essential documents that could save your financial life. What are those documents?
That's right, there really are 4. A will, which we're all familiar with, a will, a living will, a durable power of attorney for financial purposes, and a durable power of attorney for health care. Now, a will just says where our stuff is supposed to go, who's going to administer that your estate and distribute those assets, and finally, who would be the custodian if we have children. The living will says what we want done with major medical decisions, including resuscitation. The durable power of attorney for financial affairs, if we're incapacitated, that person can step in and handle our financial affairs for us. And then last, the power of attorney for health care allows that person to make major health care decisions on our behalf. All 4 of those documents are really critical for all of us. And again, I can't offer legal advice, but we should seek a competent legal professional to help us with those things, especially in our own unique situation.
I'm sure the family members would definitely appreciate it if that situation arises.
Yeah, it's so important to have those. Again, hopefully we don't need most of those documents for a long time, but when it comes up, it's so nice to have it.
All right, well, thank you so much for being here with us. We'll be right back after this break.